Hey, what's up guys? My name is Illich and I want to show you this exciting project that I'm working on. This bike was mine a few months ago and I actually bought it back from the guy I sold it to, and basically the engine lost compression, so I decided to rebuild it from scratch. As you can see, I already started taking it apart. Still need to take out the front end, but mainly it's all bare bones at this point. And right over here is the swing arm, and of course shock linkage, which I'm planning to send out the suspension to get professionally done. Mainly this is going to be the heart of the project. This engine is in running condition. It has lost compression, so it doesn't have enough power at the moment. Planning on sending out the cylinder to power seals and getting a bore to a 134 cc, which is really like a 56 millimeter piston. Other than that, planning on doing a new clutch, new bottom end, crank and all that stuff, bearings, new sprocket. The stator and all that, it's working. There's some rust in there, and I'll show you when I take it apart. But carburetor will be replaced. This carburetor, it's good, but I think for tuning purposes, I would like to replace it with a more adjustable carburetor, which this is not. Over here we have some parts that are already taken out, like the radiators. They're not leaking or anything, but they are bent. Hoses look to be okay, but they're old, as you can see. They're starting to go out, so I'll get these replaced. New cables, etc. Anyways, this is really exciting for me. This is going to be a really in-depth build. I'm planning on doing a few videos of going through the actual internals, and as well as replacing bearings on the various components. I'm really excited to do this and sharing it with you guys, so stay tuned and keep watching. Take care.